Still losing money in trading? This indicator will change your trading, allowing you to make money effortlessly. Alright, let's start trading. After loading the Megatron 3.0, this is how it will look like on your charts. By the way, you can download the indicator from the link in the description. As you can see, the indicator is straightforward and easy to work with. The Megatron prints different color zones, which I will break down in a second. What makes this indicator so special is the way it combines the fair value gaps, pivot points, support and resistance, and finally supply and demand to create a single signal zone, which is very powerful. So this red zone simply means that we shall only be looking for sell trades, and the green zone we shall only be looking for buy trades. It's just that simple. We shall only be focusing on those two zones. The rest are considered minor zones. So with that out of the way, let's look at some illustrations. But before we do so, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support really means the world to us. Alright guys, we shall start with a bearish trade. So this is a daily chart for DPZ Corporation. As you can observe, our charts are very clean. We only have two indicators, the Megatron and the 8 exponential moving average, which is this red line. Let's zoom in a little bit. Now I think you can see the candles very well. So for us to take our first sell trade, a few conditions have to be met. The first condition is we wait for the Megatron to print for us our red zone, which happened right here. Then we wait for prices to test this zone the first time, which happened right here. The third condition is we wait for prices to retest the Megatron the second time, which happened right here. The last condition is we wait for prices to close below the T-line, forming a candlestick sell signal. As you can see right here, prices closed below the T-line, forming an evening star-like signal. This means all our conditions have been met. So we shall simply place our entry right here, then we place our stop loss above this high or above the red level, then we target a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 3. As expected, sellers took control of price, pushing it downward. Guys, check the risk reward of the Megatron indicator. It's just crazy. That's why you'll be able to make lots of cash effortlessly. Let's look at another illustration. Guys, this is a daily chart for Snapchat Corporation. As you can observe, the Megatron printed for us two gray zones, which are considered minor zones. Remember, we said we shall only be focusing on the red and the green zones, which are the major zones. This implies we shall be seated on the sidelines waiting for the Megatron to print for us major zones. So we shall pass on this trade. Alright, now let's take a look at a buy trade. This is a daily chart for EBS Corporation. As you can observe, the Megatron printed for us is green zone. This means we shall only be looking for buy trades. A second condition is we wait for price to test this zone the first time, which happened right here. Then the third condition is we wait for price to retest this zone the second time, which happened also right here. Then the last condition is we wait for price to close above the T-line, forming a candlestick buy signal, which happened right here. As you can see, we have the morning star-like signal, meaning all our conditions have been met. So we shall simply place our entry right here, then our stop loss below the zone, then we target a 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. As expected, the buyers took control of price, pushing it upwards, hitting our take profit. Guys, it's just that simple. Using the Megatron is so easy and feels effortlessly. So if you need the Megatron, check the link in the description. I think that will be it for today. As always, invest safe.